before we begin, I want to appreciate everyone's hard work this past week. Today, we need to address three critical issues. First, 15% sales decline in Q1. Second, 10% increase in operational costs. And then 30% rise in customer complaints. Okay, let's focus on actionable solution we can implement within the next 2 weeks.
Thank you, sir. Our sales analysis show competitors are outperforming this in digital. I propose major social media campaign on Instagram and TikTok. Collaboration with 5 micro influencer budget 75 million. New customer loyalty program. Target increase. Sell by 10% with 1 more.
Okay, next, operation teams.
Okay, for customer complaints or quick win solution. From a dedicated 5% quickly control team, implement 24-hour complaint response system. Quickly product training for staff, target reduce complaints by 50% within 2 weeks.
Okay, here's our action plan. First, okay, team marketing.
Thank you. Launch campaign by next Wednesday and prepare daily engagement report.
Okay, finance team.
Meet with suppliers before the day and calculate cash flow projection.
Okay, and then operation team.
Assemble QD control team by tomorrow. Revenue complaint handling is open.
Yes. My responsibilities: coordinate with board members and monitor daily progress. We'll evaluate progress every Friday at 9 a.m. Any question?
No.
No. Okay. We proceed teamwork will get us through this challenge. Thank you for your commitment. Meeting adjourned at 10:30.